Mr. Fraser's residence storing his property. This is what we are seeing with our children at Cedar Grove Church. Hello? Uh-huh. Just put the key into the box into the building. I'm going to be coming back shortly. Yeah, in the box.
Wow, man, afternoon. It was a good walk. Man, beautiful. No, man, no, I'm not feeling but it's a pity we never eat already.
Orchids and greenery.
That's a grown orchid. Oh, that's naseberry.
Do not pick. Do not pick.
No, it's not right.
It's not right. It's not right. It's not right. This is my dream. One more.
Yeah, that's one more. That's pimento tree. Anybody write pimento tree?
Hey, pimento.
Pimento, write it.
It's what?
Pimento tree. Pimento.
Oh, smell this.
Pimento.
Misspelled tomato.
Pimento. Tangerine. Tree.
Tangerine.
You write it already. You're supposed to have tangerine already. Write willow tree.
It's tangerine. I write one.
No. Yes, let it stay there. I see pumpkin plant.
Hello, please wait. Johnny. Johnny, please stop. Yeah, we will to that one. Wow.
Do not.
I was making a piece of the red wild orchid. I have the orange one.
Yeah, pick that one. Do not break off any limb.
You're lucky.
Because you could have got now. You're playing turkey.
Be careful. Might you break a limb? What?
Miss me never get no news. The best day ever. My God, this is so good. They say it's the worst. This are there pumpkin trees?
Pick these two right here. See them here. Right here. Okay, that's it.
Wow.
P-U-M-P. U-M-P. K-I-N. K-I-N.
Snake plant. The what? Snake plant. What kind of plant?
Oh, snake. See it down there.
Come, children, come.
Look here, no child is to be behind me. Tamaya, come.
The green one there, sir? Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm crying. Snake tree.
Snake plant.
Careful.
Lovely tour. I enjoy it.
All right, come now. We're ready to go.
Come, children. Let's go.
1, 2, in the front, and everybody else fall in line. Melanie in front. Rajan, the smaller one. And then everybody else falls in line. You're the tallest one.
And the oldest one.
What you said, Mr. Fraser?
You can walk down this step and go right down to the gate.
Oh, you can walk and go.
Not you there.
Be careful.
Hello? Walk!
Go, walk.
Walk. You got to walk.
Not you there.
Full of energy.
I tell you. Watch them.
Hello, be careful.
Stay right down there.
Right there.
Stop.
At the bottom, it is. Walk to the gate.
This is good, Mr. Fraser.
Yeah, man.
I just want to thank you so much again.
Yeah, man. This is
Yes.
a lovely evening. Yeah.
It's a wonderful walk.
Yeah.
I appreciate every minute of it.
Yeah, man.
And I hope to come back another time.
Sir.
So,
You going down there?
yeah, man, we're going to walk down there. I want to see the trail. I'm going down there. And you have bamboos. They don't even write bamboos. You see they run gone and they don't write these things, you know. This is so beautiful. Yes. Go ahead, Sister Carol. Will you turn back? Why did you turn back? Go ahead. We're coming. I'm going to walk there. You're tired and you don't start hike yet? So when the hiking begin, how you going to manage?
Well, heck, you finished already.
Oh, they're turning back? All right, come.
That was a